do my portion of the video showing you how I keep my wig bases, which is at the Wig Factor, organized. I'm definitely about organization. I can't bother with a bag of things about the place. Me, I forget myself together. So I keep my things in organizers, and I'm going to explain what I do, or what I'm about to do actually, to, you know, keep my bases organized. So the organizers have been here for a few months now, so I'm going to have to wipe these down. Inside of it, of course, I mean, it's sealed, so inside of it is good Gucci. The one section has, well, one organizer, because it's the organizer of 3, has like my combs, my makeup, and my accessories, which I use, you know, to kind of dress my mannequin. And the other one has my wigs and like my flat irons, my curling ones, and like blow dryer. So I'm going to wipe it off, and then I'm going to take out the wigs and label them properly. In one of our vlogs, I guess you would have seen that I stopped and got a label sticker, like a file folder. I'm going to do that and label each bag to know, so I can know which wig is because right now with my packaging, I wrap the wigs in tissue papers. But my packaging is about to be upgraded, guys, so stay tuned. You're gonna see that. And I have an organizer as well where I keep like the shampoos and my personal hair products as well. I've started on that, and I'm going to continue. I think I'm going to refill my shampoo and conditioner bottles, because I buy them wholesale in bulk, of course. I can't bother with buying them every minute, but of course I'm not going to just pour up shampoo like from a big gallon bottle, no. So I put them in like one of my empty shampoo bottles to proportionalize them. So you're going to see all of that, guys. So that's how I keep my business organized. You're going to see exactly how I do and what I do, and let's just get into the video. I think I'm all done now. I'm gonna show you a video. I'm gonna show you how it looks now. It's gonna, of course, need time to dry. I'm gonna show you where I put each and move on to the labeling of the wigs and the shelving, whichever one. So this is how it's looking. It's clean. Show you what I store in each. So this is where I keep all my combs and brushes. You know, I wash them after every time I use them. These are makeups, you know, kind of use what to blend. I really don't wear makeup. Mostly I had it for like productions, when I did dancing before COVID, stuff, all of that, and when I need to blend my wigs. And in here I pretty much have like accessories, and I kind of use these for like outside of me wearing them, I use them for dressing up my mannequin. And over here in these 2 top shelves, I have some of my wigs that I've already, you know, finished working on. Yeah, so yeah, I have some of my wigs in here, and in the bottom, in second shelf as well, I have some more wigs. Yeah, and I have some more wigs I need to make and put up as well. And down here I just have like the flat iron, blow dryer, curling one, the heating tools. So what I'm going to do is take out each of these, because I placed like some papers, but as you can see, this is the back, and it gone all about its business. So I am that kind of labels what's inside of it. So I have the Avery like 5 folder stickers. Let me show you. Yeah, so this is a 5 folder stickers. I'm going to just use them and label across the front of each box so I can know. I'm about to upgrade my packaging as well. I don't know if you guys want to see it in this video or we're going to do a separate packaging video, but y'all see that eventually. I'm going to label each of them and stick on the bottom side of the bag. So I'm going to take out each of them and just read the little tag that's already in there to know what wig it is and just label it differently. I'm going to empty out these 2 drawers. Also in the smaller ones, I'm going to tidy them up as well. I keep like my stickers in some of them. These are going to have to change as well because if you follow my business page, you'll see that I've recently upgraded my logo. So when these finish, I'll change them out. And I have regular stationery things in there like my pens, pencils, and these different things. But just showing you that I keep my wig stickers in here. Now I need a pen to go right on the labels. Yeah.
Alright guys, so this is my little section. This is where I'll be doing my my video. So alright guys, so this is where I keep my stock, my inventory. So it's a box. Yeah, so as you can see, it's kind of messy, so I'm going to have to take out everything out of it and clean the box, like dust off and stuff like that. So let's see what going on. Alright, so first out the box are these. They are Apple earphones. I have Type-C chargers for those interested. I'm having a Black Friday sale on everything must go. So if you're interested in buying earbuds, earphones, this is iPhone. I only have iPhone earphone. I have earbud for Android and iOS devices. Yes, I have Fire tablets. This is the 7. I have Fire sticks. And for those of you who don't know, my business page is the OG Tech Store on Instagram. So if you're interested in anything that you see here, just link me. Yeah, we can have a talk. This is a 4K Fire Stick. This is a Fire Stick Lite. Both are extremely good products. This one works well with 4K TV. This one works well with any TV with a HDMI cable. You get the best out of this if your TV is 4K. This one works with any TV. You get good, nice quality, good pictures and so forth. But this one is for 4K TVs only. If you don't have a 4K TV, the only thing that you will get out of this is like a brighter picture quality, I would say, but that's it. You get good quality out of this one as well. I have speakers, nice and loud. You know, metal speakers at that. I don't know, plastic is metal. And I have phone cases. These are not on my business page as yet, because I haven't like checked up how much of them, you know, price them or anything as it. This one is being held for somebody. It's a tablet. It's a tablet phone. I don't know how to explain it, but it uses chip. Yeah, so if you don't have Wi-Fi, you know, your children are doing online learning and stuff like that. Simple thing, just get a digital SIM, put it in it, add service to it, and you're good to go. I'm giving this away on Black Friday, so if you're interested in like vying for a chance to win it, you can follow my Instagram. Yeah, just follow my Instagram. Yeah, and I'll choose a winner after Black Friday. So yeah, if you're interested in this, just follow my Instagram, shoot me a DM, and I will know that yeah, you're vying to win this. This is an Echo Dot. If you're interested in Amazon Echo Dot, link me up. Alexa. More earbuds. Smartwatch. Yeah, if you want a smartwatch that uses memory card and SIM, you can hit me up. Plus it has a camera. I'm not going to open any other things because you know they're mine for now, but not for long because they will be gone on Black Friday. I'm hoping, fingers crossed. This is a phone, mint condition, so it doesn't have the original box, so I can open it. So I'm going to open it and show you what I want. So this is the phone. I keep it in bubble wrap because I don't want to break it. See there? Nice, good, clean. Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. So if you're watching me on your phone and your phone screen cock up and you have the money to change it, just link me. My business page is on Instagram. You can find me at the OG Tech Store. It will flash across the screen. So I'm going to like try to fix them properly and like dust them off and stuff like that. So watch and see what I do. So yeah guys, this is like everything that I have for sale on the OG Tech Store. I mainly only sell phone and the TV accessories. Alright guys, so like I said before, this is just a box. As my girlfriend reminded me, yes, I'm going to upgrade the box.
Don't make it so, sir.
Go on. Yeah, I'm going to upgrade the box. So I'm just going to spray it out with some alcohol for now until until we get rid of it. I will upgrade to one of them someday.
And you'll be seeing me organize it if you haven't seen it RC yet.
Why you don't stop organizing my tape?
Alright.
Anyways, I'm going to spray some alcohol in it. Shadeka reminded me I have to buy it back.
Yeah, right.
She lucky. Work, we are work, and not chicken, we are jerk. Alright, so it's sprayed. Yeah, so I'm gonna pack some stuff in. Some more speed sessions. Alright guys, so you just saw me empty the box, clean everything, clean the box, put them back in the box. So yeah, this is my little clean and store. So yeah, this is how I store them in again. Yeah. So yeah.